my dear students. Today we are going to learn a simple concept in trigonometry, but it has wide application, and the concept is known as angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Before knowing what is angle of elevation, we are going to see what is the use of angle of elevation. Consider a huge building. If you want to measure the height of a huge building like Burj Khalifa, it's very difficult process to measure the height of that huge building manually. So in such cases, we are using the concept angle of elevation and using a simple instrument which we can make with our hands easily, or we can shop it from the bazaars very cheaply. That is called as clinometer. That instrument is called as clinometer. So by using clinometer and the concept of angle of elevation, we can measure the height of a huge building very easily. So now we are going to see how we can measure the height of a huge building and what is angle of elevation. Normally a person look like this. A person looks an object like this. That is, the side will be horizontal. We can consider an imaginary line from the eye of the person to the object. That will be horizontal line. If I want, the person is me, myself. If I want to see an object higher than me, then I want to raise my eyesight or my head like this. If I want to see the top of a huge building like Burj Khalifa, I want to raise my eyesight or my head like this. So there will be also an imaginary line from the eye of mine to the top of the building. There will be an imaginary line also from eye to the top of the building, huge building. So the angle in between these two lines, one line from my eye to the top of the building and the second line from my eye to the object with my same height. The angle between these two lines is called angle of elevation. I know you don't get it fully. So look here. Consider this is the huge building like Burj Khalifa, and a man is standing 150 meter apart from the building, and this is the person. He looks like this. If the man is 1.5 meter high, then he look like 1.5 meter here also. We look like this. This line is called normal vision. The line of normal vision. Line of normal vision. Normal vision. It's always horizontal. So he can see the building as an height of 1.5 meter only. If he wants to see the top of the huge building, then he wants to raise his eyesight like this, or he wants to raise his head like this. So then the side will be like this. This line is called the line of sight. Line of sight to the top of the building. The angle between these two lines, the angle between the line of normal vision and the line of sight to the top of the building is called angle of elevation. So by using these criteria, or by using these given or these getting values, we can measure the height of huge building very easily. If the person see or look the top of the building with a clinometer, he got the angle of elevation, theta he got. If he if you got theta is 32 degree, we can simply calculate the height of the building. Consider here a triangle A, B, C. Consider A, B, C. AB, we know AB, that is 150 meter. Here we know that man is 150 meter apart from the building. So here also same distance 150. This distance is also 150 meter. So we know AB is 150. Then we know the angle theta. Here 32 degree. Theta is 32 degree. And we want to find the height of the building. Here from B we give a name here E. BE is 1.5 meter, the height of the man. The height of the man plus BC is equal to the height of the huge building, right? Right? Am I right? The height of the huge building is equal to BC plus the height of the man. Am I right? Yes. Then if you get BC, we will get the answer, or we will get the measurement of the height of the building, right? Yes. Here we know, we already studied tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here given theta is equal to 32 degree. So tan 32 is equal to opposite side, here opposite side is BC by adjacent side. Adjacent side is AB and that is 150 meter. So 150. So BC is equal to 150 tan 32. So the height of the building CE, or the height of the building is equal to CE is equal to 1.5 BC plus the height of the man. So BC plus 1.5 meter is the height of the building. C is equal to 150 tan 32 plus 1.5. That will be the answer. We are putting the value of tan 32, then we get the C, that is the height of the huge building. So by using the concept angle of elevation, we can easily or simply measure the height of huge buildings. So this is the topic today. Thank you.